Hey guys, you can try to guess our costumes, but we're also doing an unboxing. This is a late gift from my friend. Shout out Sleepy Snorlax TCG. I think they're on Instagram, maybe TikTok. We'll definitely be there soon. We'll speed this up because wow. This is
so cute. Oh my god, it's eevee. It's a sleeve for the cards, right?
Honestly, I'm not sure.
I think it's for the cards. So cute.
Alright, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 packs. Tell me you want to open.
2.
Okay. Choose a 2. Choose those 2? Okay. Me first or you first? Me? Okay. Okay? Oh snap. I don't have any sleeves. But who knows?
Oh, true.
It's okay.
Oh, I can lend you my sleeve.
It's okay.
If we find
I
like
have
a
some
hit.
in my card, I think.
If we get a hit.
Card, yeah.
Okay.
Alright. This I'll post as pictures if you guys want them. I think the first card is the energy. So.
Oh, fire. What is that? Oh, what is that? Ares Zeramaragalabe. Raja Namaraga.
Regigigas, looks like.
Oh, is that Carmine?
I have no idea.
More to
Oh, Carmine.
Yeah. Oh, so cute! It's Bunny. Who's you? Oh, Groudon.
Cool.
Wait, this one cute though.
Word.
Yeah.
Nice. Of course you can have it. Your turn.
My turn? Wait, can you tell me how to do it again?
Yeah.
Open it again?
Just peel. Either from the top or from the bottom, up to you.
And do what? What can I do?
When it peels like this, like a little opening.
Oh, I see. Okay, sorry, how do you do it again?
Code card, we'll put it at the back, right?
So code card,
Energy
and then
goes
do
to the
this.
front, yeah.
And then start like this. We got fighting guy. We got Dirigagi. Oh my god, it's a cow.
Drippy? Oh, Miltank.
Milkati. Oh, Riolon. Riolu.
Nice.
Armomazimis. Oh, this one's cute.
Okay.
Look, it's cute.
Yeah.
This one's oh.
Heatran, it looks like.
Oh, cute. Oh my god, look, it's roller skates. My bad.
Oh, nice.
Whoa. Hey, Flareon.
Yeah.
Shit.
Evolution.
Hey. Oh, Charmander. Huh?
Whoa, that's a shiny.
Who are you, bro?
It might be expensive, actually.
Keep it, bro.
More pricey.
Hey, if it's expensive, bro, we gotta sell it.
Milla. I don't know where you sell it, but this is, it looks like a promising card.
Yeah. We put promising card here. Hey, Flareon is so sexy, bro. Look at that. Yeah. Damn, bro.
Oh my god. Third pack.
Wait, look at that. It's like...
Wait, is this Master Ball?
It's like hot.
This just looks like a regular Pokeball.
How do you know if it's a plastic ball?
The Master Ball, usually when you look at the glare, there should be the M on the ball.
Oh, M for Master Ball?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, it looks like a regular Pokeball.
Oh, that looks cool.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Oh. Soap me.
We finna get a hit.
Who knows? Oh yeah, code card. I'll post in the picture in the comments.
Woody.
Alright. Start with
Fighter.
fighting.
Oh my god,
Slowpoke,
it's Korogi.
Hippopotamus.
Oh, the plant babe.
Badu. Yep. I cannot see that. Oh, Spritzy. Professor Sager's Vitality. Oh, Bronzong. Nice. Pokemon Diamond. What is this? Earthen Vessel. Normal Amaris. Riolu, looks like. And, oh, another training card. This is Time.
Oh, we're getting a lot of trainer cards.
Yeah. Okay, your turn.
Whatever that means. Oh, this one's mine.
Yeah. Oh, nice. Yeah, you got it. Yeah.
So, whatever code guy.
Yeah. Pull one from the back.
Pull one from the back like that.
Yep. Okay.
Oh.
Green energy.
We got the plant boy. Riolu again.
Third time. Charm.
Friends in Palabas.
Okay.
Oh! Oh, shoot.
Dreeby again.
Gigi.
I have
Oh,
no idea
the
who this-
elastic vessel.
He trained again.
Man. Oh, you
Another
got
roller
that
skates?
roller skate girl.
Yeah. Oh, that's cute.
Wingy me.
Ooh.
Oh, I like that guy. It's
Whimsicott.
giving Lion King. Ooh!
Oh, what is that?
What is that? Oh, that's cool. Ogerpon.
Oh, Teal Mask Ogerpon. EX, nice.
Wait, this looks crazy, guys. Wait, this looks crazy.
Alright, this is the last pack we got.
Right.
Prismatic.
Even this guy's so cute. Whimsicott.
Let's look at it. Is this a regular Pokeball?
Is that regular?
Yeah,
Looks like it might be.
looks like a regular. It's shiny.
That's
It's pretty
cool,
cool.
though.
There goes nothing. Codes card will be in the video.
Ooh, psychic.
Psychic. Snap.
Riolu again?
Yep.
That again?
Trainer.
Friends in Palaces?
Yep.
Labani?
No pony. Another GP. Uh-oh.
Why are there so many duplicates? It's so
yeah.
annoying. Food.
Yeah, Buddy Puffin. Seeking. I don't know. Let's look at trainer card. Kieran. What is this?
What is that? Yeah, that one looks cool.
Diplin?
Diplin?
No. Looks like regular.
Regular.
Potentially shiny.
That's another regular.
Seeing
Oh,
secret and.
Espeon!
Oh, last card Espeon.
Wow, and it's psychic. It started with psychic too.
Yeah.
Hey, so we got Flareon, we got Espeon. I have what, Glaceon.
Oh, nice.
I have
Yeah.
Glaceon. Or
And I gave you the
Vaporeon.
Flareon last time.
Are we done?
Yeah. That's it.
Oh.
Thanks for joining, and guess what we are? See you next time.